All right, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbert here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a special new listing for you here in beautiful Winter Garden. We are in Waterlay, a newer subdivision here, and specifically the Marina Bay section of it. On the south side of Winter Garden, we're just north of Disney World here, and we're in Lake Country. So we're still in Orange County, but lots of lakes everywhere. We have a lake that the house faces, and a beautiful hickory nut lake that the house sits on. You'll see more than a half-acre lot, lots of space inside, all one floor. Let's go check it out. Okay, so right when we enter the home, you notice the porcelain tile flooring here, which is everywhere around the home. This is a D.R. Horton home, and so a lot of nice, unique features, everything customized from the builder, as you'll see here. This is a flex room, right? So look like a traditional dining room, but you can actually have it as a living room, a massive sitting room. You can enclose it, have it as an office, or even extra bedroom with the tray ceilings and the crown molding, of course. And it looks over the beautiful front lake, as you can see on Marina Bay there. And then on the right, we have two of the bedrooms. There's a bathroom in between. And then we're gonna come straight through the butler's pantry. They'll show you the main entrance in a moment. So you have, as you can see, all the custom backsplash here. Very unique, very modern. The 42-inch cabinets, very upgraded. The ELECTROLUX high-end appliances, undermounted sink, of course. So everything's here for you, just turnkey. Why wait for a builder, right? Then on that side is the garage and the laundry room, okay? And an extra counter space. And as you can see, lots of square footage here in the family room, which overlooks the beautiful lake view, okay? So, and then behind we have a third bedroom with a full bathroom / pool bathroom. So it's its own suite there, right off the kitchen as well, so very good location. Let's go check out the master. Okay, now we enter the spacious master bedroom. We have lake views, 90 degrees here, right? So we have the lake in the back and on the side. Beautiful hickory nut lake there. You can do a boat dock. We're going to show you in a moment, but plenty of space, okay? Tray ceilings, lots of the upgrades as well. Then we flow into the master bathroom where we have the shower, the garden tub, the dual vanities, the huge walk-in closet as well. And so let's go check out outside. All right, welcome to your oasis back here. So one of the biggest lots here in the neighborhood. No neighbors to this side, no neighbors to the front or the back, and plenty of space in between here. So lots to come check out and feel in person here. Beautiful lake. I feel the breeze here. The community center is actually right there. So you can literally just walk, less than a football field away, and you have all the amenities, the full gym, the swimming pool, everything it has to offer as well, included in your HOA dues. And so plenty of space here if you wanted to add a private pool or fence it in for the pets or the dogs. And again, gotta come see this, come check it out. Okay, so Phil Colbert here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We'll hopefully see you here real soon. Thank you.